Alright, greetings everybody, Del Puckett here with another concept video. So if you like these concept videos, be sure to check all of them out. You'll know because they'll have that little robot on the front of it. Alright, so this is an orange wall. So this concept video, I'm going to be talking about paradiddles. And what a paradiddle is a drum rudiment. So drummers will go like right, left, right, that's a paradiddle. Or they'll go left, right, left, left, that's a paradiddle. So it would sound like this. 1, 2, 2, 2. And you call the word paradiddle, paradiddle. So that would be a forward paradiddle, would be start leading off with your right, paradiddle. Then a reverse paradiddle would be leading off with your left, paradiddle. So I'm not a drummer, and I'm not sure if that's exactly right, but that's how I kind of like interpolate it in my mind. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to take that drum rudiment and we're going to apply it to the 3-string cigar box guitar. Instead of doing right, left, right, we're just going to go bouncing between 2 notes. In this case here, I'm going to do an open and the 3rd fret. That's just for this example. And again, you're going to take this concept and spread it all over the fretboard, up and down and sideways and however you want to do it, forwards and backwards. So this is a forward paradiddle. I'm going to go, again, paradiddle. And that's just 1 finger on the 3rd fret, and that's diddle. Paradiddle, paradiddle, Okay, so now I'm going to do a reverse paradiddle, and it's going to be the same thing, but only backwards. In other words, I'm going to go paradiddle. Paradiddle, paradiddle. So practice that, and it could be any 2 notes. It could be up here. It could be anything. Okay, but what you're going to do is you're going to connect a forward paradiddle with a reverse paradiddle. This is the way it would sound. Paradiddle, paradiddle. Let's see here, what else? Oh yeah, when you put the diddle in the middle. You heard me right. When you put the diddle in the middle. Okay, so you'd go. I'm not even going to say it, but it would be like. So you see the diddle in the middle? It's like. And so you mix them all up. And then, like I said, you can do it like it. Paradiddle. So, hope you understand, hope you enjoy, hope you comprehend and apply that musical concept to your cigar box guitar playing. All right, paradiddles, go get them.